Hi guys, Nicole here from BANDITS Bandanas. So the CDC has recommended that everyone be wearing a cloth mask while out in public. So I wanted to show you guys how you can use your BANDITS bandana to make a mask. So what you're gonna do is lay your bandana out and you're gonna fold it over on each side, meeting in the middle. We're gonna repeat that, do that one more time. And then from here, all you need are 2 hair ties. So you're gonna put one hair tie on the right-hand side, like so, and the other hair tie on the left-hand side. It's gonna look like this. From here, you're just gonna fold these end parts over into each other. And this is gonna be your mask. So the hair ties are gonna go behind your ears, and this is gonna go over your mouth. So I'll show you what it's gonna look like. So that's what it looks like as a traditional mask. The other option to stay covered up while you're out is to just fold it like a traditional bandit style. So again, we're gonna lay it out flat. You're gonna grab the Bandits logo and just fold it directly over so it looks like this. And then I like to fold mine once or twice over on the top, and then I'm just gonna tie the sides around my mouth. So hope that helps. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, and we're sending you a lot of love.